My name is Newbold. I'm from the United States in the beautiful state of Arkansas. I've been with Native Solutions for 2 weeks and I'm an environmental restoration landscaper. What do I like about the job? I like the beautiful views. I like the camaraderie among the guys. Everyone's really nice. I like being out in nature, listening to the birds sing. It's super easy to just get up and go hiking on the weekends because you've been planting with bags on you all day, so it's not really an issue getting up and doing like active stuff after you're done working. So planting trees on steep grades, that's the hardest part. And keeping a solid pace throughout the whole day. Don't quit on the first day. It gets easier, and just keep getting after it and be mentally strong, because it'll be tough the first couple of days, the first week, but I mean, you get used to it, so yeah.